All right, testing 1 2 1 2. Here we go. Hey guys, so I've been pretty busy lately. I've been learning a new application called Nomad Sculpt, 3D application, but I do like to keep up with some sketching, so I decided to do some hummingbirds on in some of the Facebook groups. A couple people mentioned hummingbirds, and I've always wanted to draw some, so I just took some time to just do some quick sketches of hummingbirds. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to upload to Instagram. I think I'm going to try to make an interaction, so I might try to either put these two in the same piece or maybe make like a really cute little tiny hummingbird that they're looking at or something like that. But really fun to sketch. I really love sketching birds, which is a new thing. They're so colorful, and there's just so much variety. I mean, I guess you have variety in all animals, but I don't know, there's something about birds that I really like. Now that I can sort of character them up. All right, hope you guys are doing well. Keep drawing, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate you. Be sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at DrugFreeDave. And don't forget to join my private Facebook group, Procreate Tutorials and Guidance. Check me out on Facebook. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon. And as always, keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video.